Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the wise owl in Grow a Garden. So in this latest Harvest Moon Part 2 update, Grow a Garden have a brand new pet that called the Wise Owl. And the Wise Owl has a divine rarity, and you can get it from the new moon chest. This chest. This one, you can see it, the chest that look like this. And how do you get a moon chest? First, just head over to the Wise Old NPC, this one. And then in here, you can submit the specific fruits that NPC is asking for. For example, in here, you need submit the berry plants like this. And then just keep submitting the required fruits until you reach 500 points. And once you reach the requirements, you will be able to claim or to get this moon chest. And if you're lucky, you can get the wise owl like this. That in here, this pet has two interesting abilities. The the wisdom rulers that give pets without pet mutations additional XP over time, and this ability does not stacks. And then it can copy mutations from random fruits and giving its copied mutations a chance to be applied to another fruit in your garden. And in here, unfortunately, I haven't gotten the wise owl yet, but I have a moon chest right here. So let's open it and see if we are lucky enough to get the wise owl. Like this, let's just open it. And then in here I got this. Oh, okay. And in here I got angler face that looks like this. Okay, like this. I think it's so cool. It's a legendary pet. So if you want to get this wise owl, make sure you can get many moon chests on this event. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.